Which Nike running shoes are actually worth your hard-earned cash? It's a simple question, but if you're like most people, the options can feel overwhelming. Today, we're digging into 5 shoes that stand out for real runners like you. Product number 1, Men's Free Run 2018 Shoes. First up, we have the Men's Free Run 2018 shoes by Nike. Honestly, what caught my eye was the unique flyware technology, which really promises to give your feet that snug fit without feeling constricted. Priced at $113.68, these shoes are positioned to be a great choice for short runs. If you want a breathable and flexible running experience, this is worth a serious look. The structured foam sole provides excellent traction where you need it, while the rounded heel ensures a smooth roll with every step. For those quick runs or casual jogs, the neutral roll fits perfectly. Plus, with over 100 pairs sold just last month, it seems like people are recognizing the value here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for comfort during short runs without extra weight, this shoe might be your go-to. Now, some people have pointed out that the sizing can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to try them on or check the size guide carefully, it's not likely to become a deal breaker for most. They're lightweight, and once you get the fit right, you'll be moving comfortably. This is perfect for you if you're a casual runner or someone who enjoys light jogging. Skip this one if you need extra support for longer distances or have specific foot issues. For the price, you're getting a reliable shoe that doesn't hold you back. Now, if the sizing concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with more flexibility. Product number 2, Men's Flex Control TR3 Sneaker. Next up is the Men's Flex Control TR3 Sneaker. At $94.83, this shoe caught my attention with its promise of comfort and versatility. If you're looking for something that can handle both casual runs and gym sessions, this is worth a serious look. What's great about the Flex Control TR3 is its lightweight design and exceptional support. The flexible sole helps with natural foot movement, which is crucial if you're running or doing a workout. Plus, the cushioning is designed to absorb shock, which means less strain on your joints. Here's why this matters for you. If you're someone who craves comfort and flexibility in your shoes, this sneaker might just fit the bill. However, a few reviews mention that some users found the sizing to be slightly off. But honestly, if you're willing to try them on, you might find that the shoe fits well once adjusted to your foot. It's a small inconvenience for the comfort you gain. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile shoe for different activities, from running to gym training. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional running shoe feel. For the price, you really can't beat the comfort. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more support. Product number 3, Men's Flex Experience Run 11. Coming in at $88.52, we have the Men's Flex Experience Run 11. I love how this shoe balances flexibility and support. If you're looking for a lightweight option that still offers decent cushioning, this is worth a serious look. The Flex Experience Run 11 is designed to adapt to your movements, offering a natural feel with each step. The flexible sole is perfect for runners who want a shoe that moves with them. The cushioning provides adequate support, meaning you won't feel every bump on the road. Here's why this matters. If you dislike the feeling of heavy shoes weighing you down, this one is a great option. However, some users mentioned that the durability could be a concern for longer-term use. But here's the thing, for someone who runs sporadically or just needs a comfortable pair for shorter distances, it's likely not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable shoe that feels light and flexible. Skip this one if you want something built for tough, long-distance runs. You're getting solid value for a low price here. Now, if you're worried about durability, hang tight because the next product is built to last. Product number 4, Men's Free RN 5 2021. Next, we have the Men's Free RN 5 2021 priced at $131.51. The first thing that struck me was the sleek design and the materials used. If you want a modern shoe that offers a natural running experience, this is worth a serious look. The Free RN 5 features a flexible upper that moves with your foot, giving a sock-like feel. This makes it great for those who want a minimalist shoe that still provides the support you need while running. The cushioning is also strategically placed to provide comfort without sacrificing responsiveness. Here's why this matters for you. If you want to feel like you're running barefoot without losing protection, these could be your perfect match. On the downside, some users found that the shoe lacks a bit of arch support. But I'll be real with you, if you're used to minimalist shoes, you might actually appreciate that feeling of freedom. Just keep in mind if you have specific foot issues. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a lightweight and flexible running experience. Skip this one if you need more structure and support. For the quality and design, the price is justifiable. Alright, that was a great option for minimalists. But if you're looking for something reliable and supportive, the last one might be exactly what you need. Product number 5, Men's Revolution 7. Finally, we have the Men's Revolution 7 priced at an affordable $75.89. What attracted me to this shoe is its reputation for reliability. If you're on a budget and need something dependable, this is worth a serious look. The Revolution 7 offers reliable adhesion and comfort thanks to its soft foam cushioning. Here's why this matters. For everyday runners who need a straightforward shoe without any frills, this one delivers. However, some users mentioned that the style might be a bit basic. But here's the thing, if you're not looking for flashy designs and just want functionality, this simple design might work well for you. This is perfect for you if you need a no-nonsense shoe that feels good during runs or walks. Skip this one if you want cutting-edge technology or high-end features. For the price, it's an excellent value that won't break the bank. That wraps up our list of the top 5 Nike running shoes for men. So to recap, the Men's Freerun 2018 is great for breathability. The Flex Control TR3 offers versatility. The Flex Experience Run 11 is lightweight and flexible. The Free RN5 is sleek for minimalists, and the Revolution 7 is perfect for budget-conscious runners. Each shoe has its strengths and a few weaknesses, but ultimately it comes down to your personal needs. Choose wisely and happy running.